Guys, it's Andrea, and today I am actually in my new office, which is really exciting. Honestly, it's not going to look any different to you. I feel like it might sound a little bit more echoey in here. I might need to get a rug, but that will be in the future, so just bear with me till then. Let me know what you guys think of the audio down below, but I'm super excited to be here. We're going to go over this week's new releases, which we have so much to be released this week. I am very, very excited for this week's releases. We have a lot of kits, some of them being exclusive art, some mini kit exclusives, and a monthly along with some new Holo items. But let's go ahead and get to the wiggle first. So this week's wiggle is actually a glossy with a silver. Last week was glossy with rose gold, which you guys seem to really love based on how many of them sold. So these are so pretty. So this again is on that glossy paper with the silver, which again, I think that these wiggles are super versatile because they are white with a foil. And you can use this obviously with any silver foiled spread that you have. So you have the bottom washi page, super cute. There is the icon page, the flags and bows, the date covers, as well as the headers. So I do feel like there's a super echo in here. I wonder if shutting the door will help. Let me shut the door. But I am super excited about this week's wiggle, and like last week, you could buy all 5 sheets for $10, or they are each $2.45 each. So super cute and very excited for this week's wiggle. I brought home 10 of those just because I am super hyped, and I might need to bring home more just because I could see myself using those a ton. Now we'll go over the Holo items for the week. So I do have a couple more Holo items to release. So this one is the stroke, which is one of our best-selling full box overlays. So it's just the line stroke. Then we do have these, which are the stars. The larger stars are super cute. Great for deco or bullet pointing. Then there is little hearts, open and close hearts. I think all of these have been released in the other foils. There is also the line bow header overlays. Then we have the super versatile bow icons. And then we also have the newer version of the bow sheet, all in our Holo foil. Super excited to be bringing more Holo foil items to the shop. We actually just got a huge foil order, like massive. I did post a picture of it on Instagram, and I feel like it just is a huge order. We have a bunch more coming in. We have so many new items, like things that you guys are gonna go whack-a-mole over. Like they're so cool. So definitely get excited for that. And like I said, I think in last week's video too, I don't plan on bringing all items in Holo, just like the most popular ones or ones that I know will sell the best, of course. So let's go ahead and get into the Pride Monthly. So I was gonna release this last week, but I wanted to get your guys' opinion on the art and everything first, and this was such a great selling kit. Obviously we love Pride and the inclusion and everything like that, so I was super pleased with how much you guys loved this. So I did want to do before I did a monthly, I wanted to know your guys' opinion on how to do this sheet, because this sheet is set up for 4 colors. Emily texted me after she took a nap one day and was like, Andrea, I have 2 ideas, and then we should do a Facebook poll and see which one wins. And the one that won was the ombre, which I actually really love this. I just think it's really pretty, really aesthetically pleasing, and I also went ahead and did it for the functional if you want to add that on. But I love this. And then you have your boxes here, so your boxes, your little like label boxes down here, and then you have 4 full boxes that are plain for overlaying things. So this is the monthly kit. This was highly requested, so went ahead and did that. I think that's gonna look super cool. I have to figure out what foil I want to use with the monthly. I might just like use a bunch of like different foils and kind of do like a crazy mixed foil, and like use some of my like rainbow leftovers from the Pride kit, and like use some just different wiggles and things like that to like come up with a really cool like wild looking spread. Then there's also a la carte items, so you could add on the functional, which this is so pretty. I wish I had a use for a functional sidebar. And then there are 2 different girl options here, so you have a choice of those if you want to pick up those a la carte as well. I honestly might use one of these in the sidebar of my weekly It is wider than a full box, but I feel like that would look so cool. Does anybody else do that? If you do, tag me in an Instagram picture because I would love to see what that looks like in the sidebar. I'm sure I could just like lay it. Let's just do that real quick. Let me open this up just to a random week. I'm running out of weeks here. Who else is nervous about their Conjuring launch? I never usually am nervous. That would actually be cute, right? Maybe like a little washi at the bottom. Like run the washi the whole length. I think that might be cute. So I might use one of these in my monthly and then use one in my weekly. I think that'd be adorable. And I think it would fit pretty well too. It's definitely wider than the full boxes, but I can make it work. So it's super cute and I love that. Then let's go into this is the only non-exclusive art that has like all of the kit pieces. So I'm just going to go over one mini kit and then you guys will kind of know what's in the mini kit. And I do always put a second picture on the listing that shows you guys what comes in the kits. So this kit here is called Vitamin C, which is a really cute kind of like pool, but also could be beachy, which also could just be summer kit. So I love the colors in this. You have like the really pretty pink, blue, and then you have the sand like nude color, and then this really, really pretty navy. I love the double box. I love this girl with her like foot in the water. I just think it's super cute, and I love the bathing suit. I just love TWG art. I feel like she's just a very fashionable person, so she knows what's super trendy, which is really helpful when it comes to drawing super cute art. This is the ultimate kit. I love the bottom washi, super floral and pretty. I'll go ahead and show you guys now the extras. So you do have the option if you want to add on the 15mm washi strip. There is also the option if you want to add on the label sampler, which has been selling super well. A lot of you guys have been picking up multiples of those. Then there's also the option if you want to add on the glitter header add-on, and then there's also an option if you want to pick up the tall girls, which I just think are so cute. You could totally trim these down. You could even do like trim them down in half and then use like one of these as a full box, one of these as a full box, and then use one of these in like other spreads. There's lots you could do with these, and I just think that they're super cute. I love this girl. Ooh, and this girl, and I love them all. I love them all. I mean, I'm biased because, you know, I put them there, but that is the ultimate kit for Vitamin C, which I just think is such a pretty kit. I'm not like a huge fan of summer kits, but I feel like, I don't know, this year it's just like kind of game changing because I have like, how many more? I have 2 more to show you guys, like summer kits this week, and the other ones are exclusive art, and I'm just kind of living for all of them, and I feel like I don't have enough weeks in summer. Normally this is the mini kit. Normally I am like, oh, I'll just use a bunch of anytime kits in the summer, but this year I'm using so many summer kits. This is the mini kit, which the mini kits are available on unlimited stock for the weekend, and then it's kind of just based on what we have left afterwards. So if you want to pick up the mini kits, definitely do so the weekend they are released. Then let's go over these 2 kits. So these are mini kit exclusives because they are reformats, but I'm just going to go ahead and go show you them because they don't have ultimates for me to show you. So this was our best-selling 4th of July kit last year. This was not exclusive art or anything like that. Actually, I think our exclusive art one might as well better than this, but I really love this one, so I went ahead and decided to reformat it. I really love the colors in this one. It is super cute. I don't think I'm going to use this one, but I know a lot of people wanted another option just to have choices, and a lot of people wanted to use the one that I released last week just for kind of like a July barbecue kind of kit rather than like a 4th of July kit. But I love the colors in this. I think it's super cute. Again, TWG art. Here's the bottom washi, which everyone loved last year. Super abstract and paint stroke. Then you have the 15mm add-on if you want to add that on. There's also the option for the label sampler if you want to add that on. And then there's also the option for the glitter header sheet if you want to add that on as well. So that is Party Like It's 1776. Again, a kit that was released last year. We did a kit on it, and I decided to bring it back as a mini kit exclusive this year. Then we have another mini kit exclusive, which is exclusive art, one of our best selling exclusive art kits. And this is Jurassic, which is based off of the Jurassic Park movies, mostly like the original ones. I'm not really a big fan of the newer ones, but I love this kit so much. It's super pretty for summer, and I mean, you could totally go into, you could use this anytime. It's a movie kit. So this is the full boxes page, and then you have your deco and functional items, more functional items, your half boxes, quarter boxes, headers, and little things, and then your bottom washi. There's also an option if you want to add on the 15 millimeter add-on, and there's also a glitter sampler. This we did format quite a while ago. But I will also bring a label sampler to the shop as well. I just didn't have those formatted when I had this printed and cut. So that is Jurassic. Then we'll move on to our exclusive collections for the week. So this kit here is called Beach Party. I'm not gonna go ahead and show you guys the mini kit, but it does come in a mini kit. Then this is the ultimate kit. It has silver faux glitter accents throughout, but you could totally use any foil with this. I think it'd be really pretty with rose gold. Even gold would be a really nice pop. Holo would even be really fun. So the story behind this is Jessica is actually going on spring break during my birthday week. She had a kit she was going to be using, but really didn't like the way that it turned out whenever she pre-planned. So I said, Jessica, make me a mood board of your perfect kit for the week of spring break, which I don't think I would have cared as much, but spring break is also my birthday week. So I was like, Jessica, let me know what you need to make my birthday week look beautiful in your planner. This real friendship right here, you know. And she made this mood board for me, and I went and sent it to my artist. So this is exclusive art. You will not find it anywhere else. So I want to start making some kits that are like good for birthdays, but also just kind of like neutral. Like you could use this just for going to the beach, you know what I mean? But it still kind of has like birthday vibes because it has like a sand cake, and then it has kind of like a little birthday table set up, but you're not really getting like full-blown birthday vibes. So maybe you have a friend or something that has a summer birthday that you want to use a kit but don't want to dedicate like a full-blown birthday kit to them. I think this would be a great kit. So I love this. I love the art. It's just so pretty. I love this girl. I love the colors. I'm just super into this, and I will be using this summer. So you have your freebie here. This also does come in a mini kit, like I said before. I love the colors, super pretty and soft. You have another girl there. Super pretty. Just gonna flip through this real quick. And then you have like the plain sand bottom washi. There's also the option if you want to add on the 15 millimeter strip. I love this blue. You have the option if you want to add on the label sampler, and then you also have the option if you want to add on the glitter headers as well. So that is the Beach Party kit. Again, exclusive art. You will not find this art anywhere else. I try to do as much exclusive art as I can, and I have the most wonderful artists that I work with to do that. So love them, love this art. Then the last exclusive art kit that I have is called Voyager, which is based on Moana, which I do love me some Moana, like a lot. So just like the Part of Your World kit, this is kind of like more of a modern spin on it, which we will be doing more of these in the future. So this would be great for summer, just like as an anytime kit if you really love Moana. If you're going to Hawaii, you're going to the beach, you're just doing whatever you want to do. This is a cute kit. I love the colors. They're very like, not like these. I feel like these are very like predictable. Like you got blue, pink, and tan, but then this one's more like Moana-y, like very tropical looking, very like ocean-y. So you have your full boxes here. I love the scene and the peoples and all the florals and things like that and the leaves. You have your ombre heart checklist, your functional page, your half boxes. You have them together, which I just thought was really, really cute because you could see more of their outfits. Then you have your little things, your headers, and your washi, your deco, which is super cute. I love the red with this. It's just a really fun color. And then you have your bottom washi. You also do have the 15 millimeter if you want to add that on. Really beautiful contrast there. You have your glitter sampler if you want to add that on. And then you also have your label sampler if you want to add that on. There's also the little freebie here. But that is the ultimate kit. And like I said, this also does come in a mini kit. The mini kits have been kind of selling out usually on Sunday, so I usually have to do like a little bit of a restock, and sometimes they do last a little bit longer, so it kind of just depends on the kit and how much I stocked and things like that. I try and stock more and more just so we're prepped and prepared, because that's the way I like to live my life. As far as this week goes in the shop, I will be shipping mystery this week. I'm going to be printing the labels on Wednesday because I actually am leaving on Wednesday evening. So I'm going to be printing those, I think, Wednesday morning. And those are going to be dropped off Thursday or Friday, which is still well in advance. Normally I like to print them out and drop them off the next day, but actually that will be printing them and dropping off the next day pretty much. So it's fine. So that's really, really exciting, and I'm hyped about that. Actually, whenever you see this, if you have mystery, it most likely will be shipping today. So Super excited. This comes out Wednesday at noon Eastern, and then the rest of the items come out Friday at noon Eastern. I hope you guys like this week's new release video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!